The secret to recovery in one simple step. Why many people don't know. Have you ever wondered? Some people spend millions to treat their disorder, erect, while others just need a simple movement, but the boy is still strong enough. What makes that difference? While the methods, physical interventions like machines, medications are considered an effective solution, there's a very easy way to do it that's inexpensive. No pain. But it brings results. It surprised many gentlemen. It's not a word-of-mouth trick. There have been actual cases. Apply and improve markedly, just for a short time. However, this method is little known. Or know that doing it improperly. In today's video, you will be guided how to do that simple step. A silent secret, but extremely useful for men's physiological health. If you're looking for a gentle solution, effective without relying on drugs, don't ignore it. Please continue to watch the video. A place to share valuable knowledge and practical for everyday life. Soreness of feet. Key. Activate the power of men that fewer I would have expected. Dear friends, there's a truth that many gentlemen have never noticed. Hardness of man tools. This is the decisive factor in the room. It's not length or length, as many people mistakenly believe. But what's more special is that it doesn't depend on the amount of muscle or tendon. It's in a seemingly simple element. It's blood, rather than blood volume. Pump and the quality of the blood. So what determines the quality and blood circulation in the body? According to traditional medicine, this is not in the heart. It's in a very unexpected place, as many people think. Soreness of feet. That sounds strange, but in fact, the foot is known as the second heart of the body. And this is completely grounded. The human body is a complex network of meridians, where every internal organ, there are reflexes in the soreness of the feet. When you put your feet together and imagine a body that's lying straight up there, head towards the toes. The 2 feet on the heel side will see that the on the feet actually represent the corresponding body parts. What's interesting is that it's in the middle of the foot. The depression itself. It's the mirror of the kidneys. This is the agency that plays a role with male physiology. In addition to that, the center of the soreness of the feet, it's also connected to the testes, while the big toe and the root part of it is related to brain activity, organs and important endocrine glands. Many people still think why they feel weak, tired of losing form even though eating is still full. Maybe you've never cared about the soreness of your feet, where you just have to do the right thing. Can click. It reactivates the entire blood system of the body. This includes the sexual function of men. This is not a rumor that many people have experienced and see the improvement in a short time. It's a very simple but very effective way of doing it. Get regular massage and desi. The reflex zones on the soreness of the feet. It's related to the male genitalia, especially in the central area corresponding to the kidneys and testes, endocrine-related thumb root region, and the acupressure points around it. Maybe you've never believed that. Just a few minutes a day, while watching TV or before going to bed, that the form came back so strong. Dear friends, in the theory of traditional Chinese medicine, there's a special acupressure that's called the yellow spot in enhancing male vitality. That's the point of courage. A name that sounds abstract, but it's actually in a very easy location to find. Right at the center of the arch of the foot. You just need to bend a little bit. Feet up. It's easy to pinpoint this location. Being brave is so important. From the Oriental point of view, this is the starting point of the systemic meridians, where the energy flow is carried throughout the body. When you act on this point, the whole experience system is activated, help blood flow strong. At the same time, balance yin and yang. What plays a role? Survival in male physiological function. It's not just ancient theory. That today's modern scientific research. It is also proven the effectiveness of massaging the soreness of the feet, especially at the courage center. First, need to understand that the soreness of the feet are very concentrated nerves and small capillaries. When stimulated properly, this area will promote blood circulation, increases blood flow to the genital organs, decisive factor for a good and sustainable erection. It doesn't stop there. The soreness of the feet. It's also able to regulate the activity of the nervous system, changes in the level of secretion of genital hormones. It also boosts the brain, release of important neurotransmitters. These factors don't just affect directly to the state erectile, but also improves sexual desire and pleasure in a natural way. One more interesting thing, pressure from the correct massage technique at the soles of the feet also helps reduce stress, relieve nervous tension, relaxation of the whole body. This is the tonic that many gentlemen don't expect, just improved physiology. It also supports sleep, to help the spirit more refreshed and clearer every day. So, if you feel that you are in a situation, nothing was soft, or he often lacks stiffness at the right time, don't worry too much. Instead, they're looking for expensive pills or drugs. France intervenes strongly. Let's start with the simplest thing. Massage the soles of the feet every day, especially the area of thigh and brave. Just a few minutes every night before bed. Small habits, but the results are not small. Sometimes you don't need to go to the clinic. It just needs your hands and your heart, your own feet. Dear friends, if the thigh and brave acupressure massage helped to improve markedly your male physiology has taken you by surprise, the following information will make you even more to be more mindful. According to some records copying and research in traditional medicine and modern work regular day DESI, it's about 5 minutes a day. It's not just about energy. It's also able to help prevent some diseases. And there's also cancer. Yes, you may find it hard to believe. But remember that the soles of the feet it's like the second human heart, where there's a lot of nerve endings, blood vessels and reflex points directly connected to the internal organs. When you massage properly, it's not just the blood that circulates. The cells in the body are also awakened. The immune system is activated and the body's self-healing mechanism is working stronger than ever before. One who regularly massages the acupressure every night before going to bed, not only to have a deep sleep and a relaxed spirit, it also helps the kidneys. The body gets rid of toxins better. Important factor helps prevent the formation of cells. Is pathogenic. Following, we invite you to follow our massage techniques. Easy to do at home. Just a few minutes a day. No need for machines or medicine. Gentlemen, you can completely take care of yourself. From the feet, the beginning of life, the abundance and stability. Don't rush past, because here's a detailed practical guide. Just know how to do it. You'll see that these little feet, it's a forgotten treasure of the body. Method number 1, kneading the soles of the feet. The simple secret to help men regain their bravery. In modern life, the pressure doesn't just make you mentally tired, but the impact is not small to the health and performance of the beard. It is worth mentioning that people are looking for solutions in expensive methods. While there's a simple way, it's easy to do at home and surprisingly effective. It's kneading the soles of the feet. Maybe you've never noticed, but the soles of the feet are not just a support, the whole body. It's also a miniature map of the internal organs, including related areas. It's close to physiological function. That's why the impact properly entering this area can bring many benefits than we thought. Specific, you just use your fingers or your palms to rub, squeeze kneading the soles of the feet, starting from the heel, and then gently move up to the toes. Kneading force should be just enough to create a pleasant feeling. Pay special attention to indentations or bumps, where many acupuncture points are directly related to blood gases and organs. Just be persistent for a few minutes a day. You'll feel a real change. The feeling of fatigue dissipates. Gentle mind. Sleep deeper and the spirit also becomes clear. It's amazing. More than that, this method also helps to improve functionality. Sensitive but very common in middle-aged men. When blood flow is good. Increased blood flow to the genitals. This helps the boy achieve the desired strength. There are men who have had to sigh because of so's poor performance. After just a few weeks, massage the soles of the feet properly. Have confidence back in your sex life. This is not only noted in traditional medicine, but there's also support from many modern studies. Show that stimulating the area of the soles of the feet helps with increased secretion of sex hormones and improve blood circulation naturally. So instead of relying on drugs or expensive treatments, why don't you try starting today? Take care of your feet every night for a few minutes. Sometimes the answer is health and confidence. It comes from the simplest things. Method number 2. Foot massage, small secret, big effect. If you have tried the method, kneading and feel the positive effect, then massage soles of feet. That's the next step to increasing flexibility, tough and durable for the body, especially with gentlemen who are desiring Improve strength. Physiologically healthy in a natural way. To implement this method, you just need to sit comfortably. Hold your feet with both hands. Then use your thumb and index finger. Gently massage the soles of the feet to way. Vertically from heel to toe and vertically, horizontal from inner edge to outer edge. The movement is simple, but it has a profound effect on the nerves and vessels, blood under the skin. You should focus more on the area. Recesses in the center of the soles of the feet. This is known as the reflex area of the kidney. The body plays an important role in regulating endocrine and physiological functions. Men only need a few minutes a day. You'll notice better blood flow, mentally more comfortable, and sleep quality has also improved. Don't take your feet lightly, because they don't just carry the body. It also contains key points to help you regain the power from within. A few regular massages every day may be the key. Opens the door to sustainable performance and fresher spirit every morning. Method number B, a day acupressure. Wake up from the roots. There is a small area of the body, but it plays a role. It is very important in strengthening energies and support physiological function of the strong. That's the tie and acupressure on the soles of the feet, and to activate the hidden power here. The right acupressure is a simple method, but it's very effective. You just use your thumb, fingers or the other fingers. Gently press with moderate force on the soles of the feet, where the central depression point is called the Quan Cancer Center. Then light day follow small circles, or in a straight line up and down, left, right. Don't be too strong. Just be regular. Feel the warm land. You've activated the reflex zone. This important. According to the theory of traditional medicine, the kidney is the beginning of the kidney, where yin and yang conditioning support the blood circulation, and from there it's energized. Men have actually proven. Just a few minutes a day. Gentlemen can improve the state of fatigue, supports blood circulation, and improve the quality of erections naturally. For when the power starting from the soles of the feet is awakened, you will feeling positive change, not just physically, but also in spirit. A healthy body. It's actually the body that's taken care of from what it's supposed to be. Method number 4. Wake up with your fingers. If you're looking for a gentle way to relax, but it's still effective, active in enhancing physiology and emotions, the walking method on the soles of the feet is an interesting suggestion worth trying. It sounds strange, but it's very simple. You just need to use your fingers. Gently glide through the surface of the skin on the soles of the feet. It's like playing a song on the keyboard. Piano, every graceful movement, as soft as the sound of the piano echoing in the silence of the afternoon, provides a soothing and relaxing feeling. This gentle stimulation not only helps to calm tense muscle areas, it also awakens the sensory nerves, increases the natural pleasure. With gentlemen who are experiencing a loss of inspiration, difficulty achieving pleasure, or psychological stress, walking on the soles of the feet can be the first step to arouse emotions in a subtle way. Gentle but no less effective. It's not just about physical health. This method also helps relieve stress, calm the mind. It makes you feel better in everyday life. Sometimes it's the little things. It's made big changes that we didn't expect. Be careful when using foot massage. Dear friends, before doing foot massage, an important note is that you can soak your feet in warm water or hot water to relax leg muscles and help blood flow better. Foot soaking helps the muscles in the soles of the feet to be loosened, create favorable conditions for the massage, achieve higher efficiency. While soaking feet, you can use your hands to gently rub the soles of your feet, especially when pressing on the acupressure points. Moderate right pressure intensity. It is best to keep it at a comfortable level, not too strong to avoid injury. The continuous stimulation of these acupressure will help activate the blood circulation for improved health and physiological condition. If this is the first time you try to apply this method, let's start gently. Slowly increase the intensity and duration of the massage. When you get used to the usual, you should massage 15-20 minutes every night before going to bed, and the morning after waking up. However, if it cannot be maintained daily, you can do it every other day or every 2 days. Please note that after the massage is over, drink a glass of warm water within half an hour to help the blood flow be circulated better as well as support the body purification process. However, you should also note that the massage method, this is not suitable for everyone. If you have conditions like varicose veins, infections or problems related to bleeding. Organ failure. It is best to avoid the method. This foot massage. In case of need, you can ask, with the support of professional technicians, to do it safely and effective. To achieve optimum efficiency from the method, this foot massage, you also need to combine it with a healthy lifestyle. This includes maintaining an exercise routine. Just eat healthy. Quit smoking and limit alcohol. These factors play a role, important in maintaining health, sex in a sustainable and effective way. Dear friends, on the human body these are very mysterious points that we rarely pay attention to. These acupressure points, when stimulated on a regular basis, can bring many positive effects for health. Especially when it comes to sexual health. One of the most important points is the acupressure. Cancer is on the soles of the feet. This acupressure works great in improving male physiological function, helps maintain an erection, and invigorating. Thank you very much, and you've spent time. Follow my sharing today. I hope this information will help you. There are more simple methods, but effective, to take care of health and improve physiological status. If you find this information helpful, don't forget to like, share videos and subscribe to so as not to miss the next useful sharing videos. Thank you again for following up. I'll see you in the next video. I wish you health and happiness.